You'll have love at first sight with the 2017 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Indulge in the best life has to offer when you take the wheel of this richly appointed, highly capable Range Rover. Plush, hushed, and powerful, this breathtakingly modern, supremely luxurious off-roader transports you in every sense of the word. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, heated mirrors, premium sound system, four-wheel drive, heated rear seat. Feel the thrill of superior luxury and capability in this masterfully created Range Rover. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.